Here I have Google Pixel 7 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then let's switch to the front camera. Let's take some photo just for an example. Now I'm going to show you how you can disable this feature. So you swipe your finger like this, go to more settings, and here you can find save selfies as previewed. So as you can see, I've had this feature disabled, but that's how I can enable it, then disable it. Okay, now let's take another photo just for an example. And as you can see on this photo, lightning coming from the right side, and then this one from the left side, because these photos are mirrored. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.